Hi, Kathy from KK Sew & Vac here in Appleton, Wisconsin. I'm here today to do a little baby lock embroidery video on our Solaris using the perfect placement stickers. So let's get started. Come on over to the machine and we'll pick our design. First we're going to go into our embroidery, into our quilting designs, and we're going to be working with design number 7 today. Set it. And here on this screen it shows us where we can set our width, our length, and our corner adjustment. So we're going to start by doing our width first, and we're going to pick 16.0 set. Our length we're going to leave at 16.0 set. And I don't want to distort our corner at all, so I'm going to leave that at 1.18. We're going to click next. And on this screen it shows us how the machine is going to split that 16 by 16 inch design into 4 different hoopings. In this little red area it's going to show us which quadrant we'll stitch first. So it's going to be the upper right first, the upper left first, the upper right second, the lower right third, and the lower left fourth. We're going to click our memory key here, and the machine is asking us, do you want to save this to the memory? We're going to click OK. Here is the pocket of our machine, and we are going to click on the design we saved. On this screen you can see it shows a whole design and then each of the 4 hoopings to create that design. I'm going to stitch the whole design out, so I'm going to touch that whole design, and if you notice the little placement logo, the connector logo is there on that design. We'll set that, and this is going to be the first stitch out of our design. We're going to touch that connector, the pattern key, and we are all set to stitch. Over here I've already hooped up my material, and for a stabilizer on this project I've used an ironed-on stabilizer, as I don't want to have to worry about re-hooping a stabilizer with each of the 4 hoopings. So let's go on over to the machine and get going. We're going to drop our foot down and get started. This first 2 hoopings take approximately 1 to 2 minutes to stitch out. It's not a long stitch, but we'll let it go and we'll be back shortly. Our design is finished stitching now, and we're going to go back over here to the screen. We are going to click OK to connect the next pattern. And here it is showing us the next pattern. We're going to touch the connect the pattern key. And on this screen it's going to show you this light colored embroidery is what we've already done. The dark color is what is going to be done next. These arrow keys are used if we need to move the design at all to connect that. I think the connection looks great. I am not going to move it. I'm going to proceed to click OK. And it's asking me if it's okay to move the carriage. I'll say yes. And on this screen is showing us where am I going to place that sticker. And we're going to look right on our material. And you can see the highlighted red is where we're going to be placing that sticker. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click scan and leave the machine find that sticker. It is now showing us where we can place that second sticker. Once again, we're going to touch the scan key. And if we look at the screen, it's saying, do not remove the embroidery position markers. Please rehoop the material so the next pattern and the centers of the two markers are in the embroidery area. So we are going to go ahead, take our hoop off the machine, and get ready for the next hooping. Now, as you can see by looking at our first hooping, our design just fits in the hoop. So if we were to use this hoop again in rehooping, we would have to have almost a perfect alignment. So my tip for you is to go to the next size embroidery hoop if you can do so. That way it will allow us to have a little bit more playroom when hooping. So for the rest of the hoopings, I am going to use this large hooping frame. And as you can see, when you lay that on top, it gives us more playroom at both the top and the bottom of the hoop. So when we want to align this, we are going to make sure that the finish point, the two stickers, and the middle of the stickers are in the embroidery area. And we're going to go back to the machine. We're going to tell the machine it's okay to scan that material and look for our stickers. As you can see on our screen, it's saying it cannot recognize one of the positioning markers. So it's asking us to rehoop and check our stickers and make some changes. So what I'm going to do is just make sure that I have a decent sticker, and we're going to just place this one right over the top. and we're going to rescan our material. Sometimes those stickers get a little worn and you have to replace them. I didn't want to move the one sticker off because I wanted it to be located in the exact same spot. Our machine is now telling us that the embroidery position markers were recognized. We can go ahead, remove the markers, and embroider the pattern. We'll drop that foot and hit our start key. As you can see, we're right on the mark. The machine is picking up right where it left off on the last embroidery marker. Our embroidery on the second hooping is finished. We are now set to press OK and connect the next pattern. The screen is showing us our third hooping. We'll press the connect pattern key. And again, the lighter design is what just finished stitching, the darker design, what is to be stitched next. I think it looks like it's connected okay. Move it up a slight bit, hit our OK button. OK again, and it is now going to show us where to place those stickers. Press scan. And now it is showing us where to place that second sticker. Scan. Again, the screen is telling us not to remove the stickers, but to go ahead and re-hoop our material. So we will remove our hoop from the machine. And move our hoop back to the machine. Go ahead and touch our scan key. The machine again is telling us the position markers were recognized and we can remove them and start with our next hooping design. Drop our foot and start. You can see it once again picked up right where it left off. We are now once again set to connect the next pattern. Click OK. Here is our fourth design for the hooping. We're going to touch that connect to pattern key. Again, our light is what we just completed, the darker what is going to be done. We are now going to place that sticker once again. Hit our scan key. We'll now place the second sticker. Hit the scan key. Okay, and our machine again is telling us not to remove the stickers, but to re-hoop and get set for that last design. And we are all set to go back to the machine. Go ahead and hit our scan key. Again, the machine is saying that it recognized our stickers and we can go ahead and remove them. We're going to drop our embroidery foot. Oops, first we need to hit our OK. And drop our embroidery foot, hit our start key. Again, we're picking up right where we left off the last time. We have now completed our whole entire frame, and as you can see, it connected perfectly at that last connector point. Before we finish today, I wanted to show you one more quick little, and I guess we can leave our hoop right here. One other way to use your perfect placement stickers. So when we were connecting these designs, we placed the sticker according to the way the little light showed us how to place it. When you use your perfect placement stickers to place a design, you're going to want to look at your sticker. And the perfect placement sticker is a combination of two circles, hence the snowman sticker name it gets. The small circle on the sticker is the direction you want to point the top of your design to. So if we were going to mark a design and place it here, and this was the top of my project, I want that top of the sticker to point in that direction. But just for fun, let's see what happens when we turn that sticker upside down. So we're going to go over here and pick a design out of our embroidery area. We'll use this wine bottle and glass of wine. We're going to set it. We're going to go to embroidery, click on our layout button, and then click on that snowman sticker. It's asking us where in the hoop approximately is that sticker. We're going to say the center, and we're going to hit scan. And as you can see by the screen, it has flipped that design upside down. If this were a real project that we were going to stitch this bottle out on and you wanted to turn that design around, you could just simply flip that sticker back around and rescan, and your machine will turn that back around. So let's take one final peek at our project. These quilting frames are great for borders on quilts, wall hangings, table runners, or even a great outline on a pillow. They're beautiful, they're quick stitches, and they're easy to connect with the perfect placement stickers. Thank you.